Good afternoon. I'm Clyde Rombacher, founder and president of B&C Water Solutions, or B&C Water LLC. Today, we're going to pick up a new topic on whole house or point of entry systems. I've been in the business down here over 15 years, and I found out all over the state of Florida that from location to location we have different problems. So I am the problem solver when it comes to water. I do not try to sell something that will not take care of your problem. I ran into one place where there was no way that we could treat the problems they had for irrigation because it was from tannins oil, and in order to treat it, we just turned their lake into a saltwater lake and would have just damaged all the vegetation that they had. But in our point of use system, we treat a variety of problems, including iron removal, sulfur removal, taste and odor issues, chloramines and chlorine. All these are issues with your drinking water, especially if you're can be on city water or well water. Municipalities uses either chloramines or chlorine in order to make the water bacteria safe. But we all know that according to the government studies and health studies, that these, especially chlorine, has been linked to cancer. Now they say, oh, that's all right, there's not enough there to hurt you, but to me, it don't make no difference whether you use a big bullet or a little bullet. It'll do the same thing on you eventually. And it's toxic there. But the reason they use chlorine or chloramine, it is the cheapest way to make sure that they do deliver bacteria free water to your thing, because of a lot of the old pipes have built up in them, and of course it would harbor the bacteria there. Of course, another thing is we got smelly water too here in Florida. I mean smelly water, and not just here in Florida, but quite a few places. But it comes from sulfur, and if you've ever got around a well that has sulfur in it, you think you're around a rotten egg or two. There are some other things that you might not like too well. But one of the ways that we can tell, a lot of places here in Florida uses well water to do their irrigation and do their flowers. You be going down the street, you'll see brown on the sidewalk, on the curbs, on the trees, electric boxes, electric poles and stuff. That all comes from sulfur or from iron. And we have one of the best systems to be able to remove this. We've got one system in place that will take 160 gallons a minute and do it. And ever since we've had it in there, the people has not had to clean their sidewalks or stuff. And of course then we have a lot in residential where that one lady said that she couldn't use her well water to wash her hair in because she was blonde, and every time she washed her hair in it, she came out to being a rusty redhead there. So this is one of the things that we do as a problem solver. We don't put anything in that you don't need, but we want to make sure that when we do the testing that we get what you want and what you need. Because I'm not out just to sell systems, but I'm out to solve your problems that you might have there. Again, sulfur is a big issue here in Florida, and iron, and we do that. We've got one of the best carbon systems that there is to just take out of city water any taste and odor. One thing about using that carbon system is that it'll make your coffee or your drinks taste a lot better there. But just remember that when you talk to me, you're talking to the problem solver. And we do free testing. with this video that if you call me, we will give you a very comprehensive free test on your water and only recommend what you want and what you need. We do not try to sell other things there. We have all kind of water systems, and we that's what we specialize in, is to taking care of what you actually need. So don't forget, just as soon as you get off from seeing this, call 800-798-7775 and ask to talk to Clyde, and we'll get you set up for that free water test, and I'm sure that we'll find some kind of a bonus to even give you once we test your water and see what you need.